Hey guys, how's it going? Just doing a little video here. I'm actually a pharmacist by day, and I really taking care of my health seriously. I love to detail cars, and I have my churro business, so I detail all my cars. Plus, I detail cars as a side business as well. One of the things I really think about carefully when I'm detailing cars is the safety of the products. Unfortunately, in the pharmacy world, everything is heavily regulated, is tested, is FDA approved, blah 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 blah. You don't have that in the car wash, car detailing, ceramic coating world. So I'm going to go over 10 products you guys should avoid when you're detailing your cars. They have a lot of stuff that can really cause toxicity, that can be bad for your skin, can be bad for your reproductive system. You don't want to inhale it, could be bad for your eyes. There's a lot of things that we need to take consideration. My first compound is going to be a 3N complete fuel system cleaner. It has a lot of naphthalene in it, which can cause cancer, and it can cause damage to reproductive systems. So it can also hurt the respiratory system, circulatory, and digestive system. So I would avoid the 3M complete fuel system cleaner. Another product that you don't see as much is back in the day you see a lot of chrome wheel cleaners. You don't see as many because chrome wheels kind of died out. But chrome wheel cleaner, especially the Eagle One chrome wheel cleaner, it is not very safe. It's very poisonous. It can affect the central nervous system. It can cause dizziness, nausea, headaches. It can actually cause burns if you put it on your hand. And the thing is that it has hydrofluoric acid in it. So how that works is that you don't actually feel the pain at first, but since it's acidic and it binds to calcium, I believe, and it actually extracts the calcium from your bones, and you'll eventually start burning in your hands if it's not washed off right away. And the only way to really treat that is to actually do what we call a calcium gummy treatment. What you would do is like get some gel, like I would say maybe some aloe vera, crush a whole bunch of calcium tablets. The easiest way is get some Tums, make a jelly out of it, put it into a glove, and stick your hand in that glove. And what it'll do is that acid will bind to the calcium in the pills that you crushed instead of extracting it from your bones, which is very painful, and it can cause some really severe burns. So you got to be really careful with anything that has hydrofluoric acid in it. Luckily, a lot of the wheel cleaners have gone away from it. They've become more citrus based. Car care products are getting much better than they were when even 10-15 years ago. Again, it's still a completely unregulated industry, so you got to be careful. There's also another product called Champion Spray-On Degreasing Solvent. This is found in a lot of car washes. It's carcinogenic. It has perchloroethylene and methylene chloride, which these vapors are actually harmful. They can damage your skin and your eyes. Same thing with a lot of people use dishwasher detergent. I don't know. That's what I did when I first started out when I was like 12 years old. My mom. Dishwasher detergent is pretty common too. People use it. These, of course, they're not safe as well. You know, the whole Tide Pod thing with people eating it and putting all that stuff is really bad for you. It can cause skin damage, asthma, respiratory issues. There's a lot of the parent products that are in car paint are in these. Another product that's again a wheel cleaner would be the Eagle One Mag Wheel Cleaner. Again, this is a very strong type of product. Again, it has hydrofluoric acid in it. It can burn your skin, respiratory, digestive tract. You don't want to get anywhere near it. There's much better products that you can use to clean your wheels. It can also cause eye injury. It's a spray-on product. Anytime you have a spray-on product, it could be windy outside. You could be working with the product, and all of a sudden now that product is in your eyes. You got to be really careful. Another product is, so this would be 6 on the list, would be Rain-X Plus Bug Remover Premium Washer Fluid. So you see this pretty much everywhere. I believe it's like a purplish color stuff. Good thing is most of the time you're not going to get in contact with it because you're just going to be putting it into the housing for your washer fluid, and hopefully you have a funnel and things like that. But this is has a lot of methanol in it, and methanol is pretty toxic to the skin and to the eyes. So you don't want to have long exposure. You don't want to keep it open. If you are pouring it into the car, make sure you're outside, ventilated area. If you can wear a mask of some sort to protect yourself, because you don't want to inhale the methanol vapors that come out of this product. Another product that a lot of people use is a Meguiar's Fine Cut Cleaner. This is more of like a polish that you would use on the car. It has petroleum distillates in it, and it also has crystalline silica. These have been known to cause cancer, so you have to be careful when using these products regularly. I mean, once in a while it's okay, but if you're a detailer and using it every day, maybe think about something alternative. Another product would be One Easi-Dri Car Wash. This is a simple thing. You want to get the most simple car wash. You don't want a car wash that has anything toxic in it, because your hands are going to be in it. It's going to be dissolved in the water. It's going to be being absorbed through your hands and skin no matter what you do. You could try to wear gloves, but you're going to get water on your arms. You're going to get everything. So you got to be a product like this. You have to really be careful, because this product is known to irritate your eye, skin, and respiratory tract, and it's a car wash. So it's going to get in the air when you spray it. It's just not a good idea. A lot of the products are Eagle One, so I see Eagle One products out there, but just be careful. Another thing would be a turtle wax scratch repair pen. You'd think, it's just a scratch repair pen. What's the problem with that? It's called a T121. It's small, but it has really big health issues. It can cause permanent damage to the brain and nervous system. It can cause contact dermatitis, and it can also cause digestive system issues. So mostly I'm hoping you're not going to touch the actual product, because on the end of the pen, but if accidentally you did, make sure you wear gloves and keep it away from some place where people might think it's a pen, like kids and things like that. You don't want them exposed to it at all. One of my favorite products that I've been used so long was Black Magic Tire Wet, and the thing is, this comes out as a spray, and it's known to cause lethargy and vertigo, so it's not good to inhale. Every time I ever put a tire shell or tire spray on a car, I was always really careful. I either put my shirt over my mouth, or I would try to hold my breath while I was going on and then walk away, and I always did it outside, never in a garage or anything like that. So just be careful with these products. The thing is, there's so many products out there. There's not a lot of sheets out there. It's called the SDS that you can get from the manufacturer that tells you if the product is safe or not. But they're not really required to do any of that, and the testing is based by the manufacturer. So mostly it's based off of products that have already been made, and they go off the chemicals in them. But the SDS is a great way to see what's the actual chemical makeup of a product. If a product is saying, hey, look, it's ceramic coating, is this and that, and it has no silica dioxide in it, it's probably not a good product. So the things are, you just gotta look out for it. You gotta use your senses. You gotta be smart. If you smell a product and it smells like jet fuel, it probably not good for you in any way. So your body has natural reflexes. If you have a product you put on and the second it touches your hand you feel irritation, go wash your hand and stop using that product. There's something in that product that your body's telling you stay away from it. So just be careful. Interior products are a lot safer because people touch them a lot, but the exterior stuff, and a lot of people do work in garages and stuff like that. So you got to make sure if any of these products are aerosoled or sprayed, and you're in a sealed garage, you're in an area where it's cold and you don't want to go outside, and you have your garage closed, you want to work on your car, you got to really look into what kind of products you're using, because now you're going to be inhaling those products. So again, if you guys have any questions, concerns, if you guys have any other products that you say that are not safe, or products that you think are really, really safe, just put it in the comments below. And I appreciate your guys' time. Have a nice day.